Hey, welcome to Power Living 101. I want to have a quick chat with you today about the exercise videos. So I created these videos originally for my students at Fresno State. Go Fresno, woot woot. And so they are created for being progressive, like going through our semester, and it's a perfect course for anyone who's looking to lose weight, get in shape, gain some muscle, avoid disease, all of those things. So I always have people of all different ages, abilities, and fitness levels in my class. So all of these videos can be done by anyone of any level. So if you need to work harder, remember you're always going to go deeper into a squat or reach higher with those arms. You can always increase your intensity, just like you can always modify your intensity. So if we're doing a squat, you always want to keep your weight on your heels, first of all. But if you want to work less hard, you're going to do little teeny squats. If you want to work harder, you're going to do bigger squats. If you want to super hard and you're a CrossFit fanatic, then you can come all the way down. But for me and for the purposes of fitness, I like you to squat just to here, elbows to thighs, and swing back on those heels. And I will remind you of that in our videos. Same thing with your intensity when we're doing cardio. If you want to get your heart rate up higher and you're in pretty good shape already, then you're going to be doing jumping. You're going to jump, 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 jump. You're going to keep it very low impact if the jumping is uncomfortable for you, or if you're not quite ready to take it to that level. So you can always modify and you can always work harder. So don't let anything that we're doing discourage you. Just keep at it. We don't get up and down off the floor very much, but if you need to do something different than like push-ups, remember, you can always do your push-ups against a counter. If you have a countertop, do a chair. You don't want to fall over, but against a countertop will work. Even against a wall, you can do your push-ups against the wall. The further your feet are away from the wall, the harder it will be. But you can always modify. You can always find things to do that will work for you. So the program is progressive. It starts a little bit more basic and progresses into more complex and more challenging. So feel free to look ahead, see what's there at our channel, Everyday Workouts for Everyday People, and check them all out. But I just want you to know that you can do all of these workouts. We're going to take you through everything very much step by step. Make sure you know proper form, proper technique, and that you feel comfortable with every level before you take it to the next stage. So yay, thank you for joining us. So excited to have you on this journey with us, with me, with this Power Living program. And I wish you all the best of success. You will get out of it what you put into it. So work hard, make a commitment to yourself. You owe it to yourself to be your best you. So have fun, work hard, and I'll see you soon.